I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
This is a Golf Estate, which is a 2-litre diesel automatic, 150 PS, finished in an Oryx White paint, which is an option. This vehicle has covered 53,366 miles. We've got your fitted roof rails as well as front and rear parking sensors to support you with parking and making tight manoeuvres, with the 18-inch Serron alloys as an optional extra. And then we have your electric folding exterior mirrors providing additional safety for your vehicle. Your xenon headlights with your headlight washers as another option. And then we also have your fantastic panoramic sunroof featuring your electric sunblind as another optional extra. We have an impressive boot space as expected from a Golf Estate with enough room to cater for your daily needs. It's coming forward just to extend the capacity. We also have your parcel shelf in there as well with your aftermarket tow bar as well as a spare wheel underneath your boot floor. The interior is finished off in Alcantara and cloth upholstery, offering both comfort and style, with ice fixed points fitted into the outer rear seats. Moving into the front, you will have your multifunctional steering wheel with your Alcantara and cloth followed into the front seats, with plenty of manual adjustments available. Your steering wheel will allow you to control the car's media system, so we have the adaptive cruise control, perfect for motorway driving. And then we can also customise your instrument cluster where we can find your key driver information and settings. In the centre we have your multimedia screen. We can access a wide range of features. Some of these include your DAB digital radio for your entertainment. We have your Bluetooth connectivity, whether this is for playing your own music or making hands-free calls on the go, as well as your satellite navigation to support you in planning your routes. When popping the vehicle into reverse, this is how your parking sensors will appear on the screen and will give off an audible warning when getting close to objects. Then we have your driver mode selection, allowing you to choose your car's performance. Just below we can find your manually controlled air conditioning system that's an easy reach by both yourself and front passenger. And then moving down we have some handy storage space available, your automatic transmission as well as your electronic park brake with auto hold.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.